Korean 935, taxi via Foxtrot and cross runway 30.
Foxtrot, cross runway 30, Korean Air 935.
Emirates 71, Kilo runway 24, clear for takeoff wind 270 degrees 18, maximum 23 knots. Husky Dan.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff, Emirates 71, Kilo Husky Dan, děkujem.
Taky dík.
And Emirates 71 Kilo, be advised around 200 feet after departure is quite strong wind shear. We didn't get the warning, but it's quite strong wind shear.
Okay, thank you for information. 200 feet, and is it gain or what?
It was strong from the right, and now it's good. Now it's fine, Emirates 71 Kilo.
Okay, thank you.